Welcome to a video by Abron. This is a sound level meter or voice or how much is the pollution in the noise. This has a range of 30 to 130 dBA and accuracy is 1.5 dB. Response time is 31.5 Hz to 8 kHz the frequency, and it works up to 40 degree. Very easy to use. It has a sound. These cells are there. We have already installed these cells. These are 3 cells, AAA cells are there. And then this is how to start it. You can press this. So this is the noise and how much is the maximum. It can tell you this was the maximum, this is the minimum what was there, and you can put a hold also how much it is now. Is this not working? It is not changing. I can put it back. See, this maximum is there. It tells you it is 90, 60, and that was the maximum. It can tell you the minimum and maximum. And then there is a backlit also provided, and this was a sound. This one is a mouthpiece sound. It can give you sound checking on the sound. And then this is the maximum it gave you. This is the minimum reading. I can show you. This is the minimum reading that was in the starting, and if you keep it normal, it will change as per the voice. You can see the voice is changing as per the volume. I can whisper. It's a very sensitive instrument. This is by Abron. Please visit the website and send us an email, abron01@gmail.com or www.abronexports.com. WhatsApp number is 94160200018. It comes with the manual. This manual is there, very easy to use. Please visit the website and send us your comment. Please share the videos, and you can like the videos, share the videos. Working on this. Thank you very much.